This example is a great exercise because let's say I want to do something like this. Row 9 happens to be the first month of my loan, and if you notice, this cell right here shows the interest I paid, which is $95. I'd like to see how much interest I paid the last month of the loan, so I'll just scroll down, and it's down in row 68 and it's $1.81. But now I can't see the first month of my loan. I've got to scroll back up to see that. Well, if I split the screen, it will allow me to see both at the same time. I'm going to start by clicking in cell A8 because I'm going to put the splitter right above row 8 here. All I have to do is go up here where it says split. Notice I'm still on the view tab. I'm going to click on split, and now you'll see your splitter. It looks like this gray line right here. Now notice that I can put my mouse on the splitter and move it up or down. That splitter can just be wherever you want it to be. But what I really want you to pay attention to is the fact that you now have two sets of scroll bars. I've got a scroll bar above my splitter, and I've got a scroll bar below the splitter. So I can really be in any two sections I'd like at the same time. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so I can see the last month of my loan. And voila, look, here's month 1 and here's month 60 in this particular case. If you want to turn the splitter off, you can do one of two things. You can either go up and hit split again, or you can drag the splitter to the top of the screen. That'll turn it off as well. Now let's say I started by clicking in C8. This is going to put the splitter above row 8, but also to the left of column C. Let me go back up and hit split again, and now you can see the splitter is up and down right here, and then across this way. So this means I can do something very similar. I can look at row 9 and scroll down on the second part and look at row 68 in this case, which is month 60. I can also go left to right. If there's some reason that I don't want to see maybe the first couple of columns there, I can scroll to the right like this and notice that column A and B stayed right where they were. So really you've got a lot of flexibility as far as looking at any two areas of the screen that you would like when you're working in Excel. All I have to do to turn these off is just go back and hit split up at the top, and we are good to go. Just make a note that if you save your file with the splitter on or with the freeze panes option on, it will stay that way so that when you open the file the next time, you're ready to go. That's really all I want to tell you about navigating through your workbooks.